Tired of searching for the feedback button in OneDrive? Here is exactly where it is, and how to submit in under 30 seconds. No more digging through endless menus or wondering if Microsoft even wants to hear from you. I will show you the quick path. Click the OneDrive icon, open Settings, and send your feedback in just a few clicks. All right, let us jump right in. Start by locating the OneDrive icon in your taskbar. That is the little white cloud at the bottom of your screen, usually down near the clock. If you cannot see it, click the small upward arrow to expand the hidden icons, and it should be there. This is your main entry point to everything OneDrive, so give it a single click. Now that OneDrive is open in your browser, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. It is that little cog shape right next to your profile picture. Click on it, and a menu will drop down. This is where all of the important settings live, from syncing options to storage management. But we are here for something specific today, so just find that gear and click it. From the Settings menu, select Send Feedback. It should be one of the first options you see in that drop-down list. Now, here is the really important part. This is the direct line to the people who actually build and improve OneDrive. When you click it, a new window or panel will slide out from the right side of your screen. Do not close that panel. We are almost there. Now, pick the category that best describes your feedback. You will see options like Suggest a feature, Report a problem, or something similar. Take a second and think about what you are trying to communicate. Are you suggesting a new way to organize your files? Pick Suggest a feature. Did something break or not work the way you expected? Choose Report a problem. Getting this right helps your feedback land in the right place, which means it has a much better chance of being seen and acted upon. So, now that we have got that set up, let us move on to the most important part. Type your feedback clearly and concisely. I know it is tempting to just write a quick sentence and hit submit, but here is a little tip. Be specific about what you are experiencing or what you want to see. Instead of saying, "This is frustrating," try something like, "When I upload large folders, the progress bar freezes for over a minute before showing an error." That gives the team something they can actually work with. You don't have to write a novel, just a few clear sentences. And don't worry about technical jargon. Plain English works perfectly here. Finally, hit Submit to send your feedback. That button is usually at the bottom of the panel, and it might be blue or gray depending on your theme. Give it one click, and you are done. This might take a moment to process, but within seconds, you will see a confirmation that your feedback has been sent. And that is it. You have just contributed directly to the future of OneDrive. From frustrated and searching to confident and submitting in, about 30 seconds? If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more quick tips like this one.